got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, Paul? What's going on, man?
How you doing?
All right. What you running here?
6 Sundown XV3s on 3 Unreal 5Ks. Wired at 1 ohm each.
15s, right? 15?
Yeah.
Yeah, my sticker right there. I'm gonna put your video on YouTube.
Well, I'll give you a 29 and then I'll find you one a little bit lower.
Okay.
It's a Series 6th order. Damn it, boy. I hate it when other people demo my shit. I never turn everything down.
Yeah.
You know I love it when you do that. We can't do this without you. You bother me. Stylez, Car Audio Club.
Okay.
I'm Dave Higdon.
Okay. Yeah, but you give him a follow. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.